Hey, you know. Cute, my little hero. All my cousins are troubling him. Yeah, he's trying to call my name and he's protecting his dad when my cousin is teasing him. What am I? Yeah, welcome back to my channel at house number 24. I am Usha. Again, I have come up with another vlog. This video is all about birthday party, guest, food, and all those things. Yeah, just stay tuned till the end and what are the things that you will see in this video. Hope it will be useful for your ones when you are planning for someone's birthday party or any party maybe. Yeah, and I do have some of the videos in my description box. Please go ahead and check out. If you like anything, like, share and subscribe. Stay connect with me, so I'll come up with a content like this, which is I'll share my life journey with you guys, so we can learn, enjoy together and grow together. Yeah, let's not delay, let's get into the video and see what all was there on that day. Yes, so here I'm fitting up the stand. The stand is very useful, multi-purpose. Actually, I've got it from my friend. I think she bought it from Amazon. I will give the link below. If anyone is interested, go ahead and purchase it. Actually, this is something very useful when you are doing puja or any parties at your home. Multi-purpose, and it has you can increase the height for 9 feet, and also this bar what I have attached to, you have 3, like if you need a bigger frame you can increase or decrease according to your requirements, and that flexible, and you can remove all these parts and pack them in one small bag, very portable, handy, where you can keep them anywhere. You can carry also, that is very important thing, because the stands will come to an sometimes you have it, you cannot store them, those kind of situation. This are the one which is best, very useful one. You can see here I'm showing it has a nice tight net and all to be fit, so secure and steady there. So then we are doing minions theme, so my brother and my sister-in-law is helping me to blow the balloons and helping me out. So we started decoration only by the night, somewhere at 10:30, putting my nephew and my daughter to the sleep. If these two are there, due to their excitement, they are not going to sleep, they're not allow us to do any of it. They're going to play with the balloons or all the party decorating items. So it's not going to happen, so that's the reason we put them sleep and started in the night. So here I'm trying which will look nice, like trial and error, because it's very new for me also to do this minions theme. So we got this foil curtain kind, so we were trying to see how it's going to look. First we thought we will not put curtains behind and just foil, but that orange color wall color was it was so strong, it was not it was not up to the one which we were satisfied. Again we put up the curtain, and then we tried to put this foil in the front of it. So that's how yeah, when you are doing for the first time, this trial and error will be there, like when you're doing for yourself. So that's what was happening here. So and later and also one thing I forgot to mention, in Bangalore we have the shops where birthday party shops, where you get, according to theme, you get the complete set. So we had minions, so this person had given minions faces, star, and also like you can see this big minion, it is so cute, right? So they will give you everything, like if you tell the theme, even more like lot of other stuff were there, but we got it how much ever it is required, because it's inside the house, and we should also keep it in mind, we have to manage the people guest space also. So that's the reason we picked up how much ever it is required for us. And you will get this happy birthday wordings also in minion posters kind. So that was very interesting. You get everything in Bangalore, you get it in Chickpete, and also you will get in Amazon, Flipkart, according to the themes if you search for it. And here I'm trying to figure out where should I put this big minion, like kids are going to come, so it should not be in the place where they easily pull out that, because that happens, no, especially when you're doing in the home, you nobody will be like watching out. So I think you guys can relate it. So first birthday was we were not able to celebrate that grand. It was just a simple, because of the COVID case at that moment were too many and we did not want to take risk. Now here also we are doing in home. This is because to avoid a lot of crowd and all those stuff, so we have just called our uncle, aunties and cousins, first line cousins, so 100 people, 100 plus people. Yeah. Yeah, this door I have put balloons. It was looking little plain, so I just gave a smiley touch, so giving that party look. So I've here on there placed balloons, so it looks nice. So this is the overall look of the decoration. Comment me, how do you feel? Did you like or not, or what could have been better? Comment me and let me know, so it will be helpful for my next event, that if we want to do some decoration, it will be helpful for us. Yeah, I was satisfied. It was looking nice and neat. And all our birthday decoration we had planned in the morning, so like 11 or 12, all our relatives can come attend and have their lunch, and they can reach their place safely. That was the intention. We had it in the morning. So morning, all our guests started coming by 10. Whole function, my daughter was very busy. I don't know, I could not see her after I dressed up where she was. And it was really nice meeting all our relatives after so long. My cousin sister, brother, due to COVID, like so many, I have missed so many functions attending. I could not be a part of so many events that happened in the family, like due to COVID and lockdown, and I was also sick with the flu fever. So this was something, yeah, gave me that pleasant feeling to create a new memory. I enjoyed it. This is a cake that you've been seeing. This is from Cake of the Day in Bangalore. It is near to my house. Wow, he has done the wonderful job. The cake was so yummy, so nicely done. 100 out of 100. Yeah. Kids were attracted to that I know minion eye. Whosoever the kid comes in, they were trying to pull out that eye from the cake. So we were like, oh, at least that eye should be there till we cut the cake. So we were guarding that cake. That became a problem. It's so beautifully done. We go, it's time for the cake cutting. We had timings was like 12:30, 11:30 for the cake cutting, so that all our guests who are coming from out of Bangalore can reach their home safely. So the birthday party started. So the cake cutting was there. All Arav's cousins, sisters. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arav. Sorry. Lot of people are missing in the frame. They are there in the places handling food. Some cousins are serving juices, some cousins are serving food, some are receiving it, some are helping us to cut the cake and serving other stuff. So some of the cousins are missing. I really wanted them to be in the frame. Not to worry, there are so many events to come in my family. I'll definitely cover them, everyone, all my brothers and my cousin sisters. I love them because they are the one who help. All the events are successful because of them, because they share the work without even a word we say them. My few cousins are not well, even then they were there supporting us, making this event successful. Yeah, I thank all my cousin brothers and sisters to be in all the times with us. Be it is a tough time or our happiest moment, family is something will always be with us. Nowadays we keep hearing, no, people are saying they have some anxiety issues, some depression. I think you have to figure out, you have to go and meet your friends and families, share what's happening with you, open up, share what's actually inside you, that will actually give you a relief, relaxation from all those problems. So that's what I wanted to share. I thought I will share this here because I'm hearing a lot of it. This is a food menu, interesting one. It's a non-vegetarian. So biryani, you would see there is an kebab, boti fry, mutton biryani, chicken fry, and lot of salads, rasam and rice. That cannot be missed, right? Even the main course, something is missing, it's totally fine, but rasam rice should be there. People love, it's good for your digestion. They say here the people are enjoying their meals. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಟ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದೈತೆ ಅನ್ಸ. I know you will also be able to relate all these glimpses, whenever you meet your loved ones, how, cousins. I am not able to express that feeling, but yeah, it's just a wow feeling, creating some memories. I can see my mom, my dad, all my aunt, uncles are, having a conversation, sharing their life updates. They do connect with regular basis, but still, when you are sitting together and discussing that experience is something very different from anything. So they are actually 1 million question. This is, I don't know why kids gets cranky and they start crying in their birthday parties or something. I don't know why this happens. You can see all my sisters here, the pink dressed one, the outside one, or my sisters. My sister-in-law is trying to convince him for the photos. Again, it was not possible. This yeah, later part he was okay, and he was like not ready for the photos, but somehow he stopped crying and mingling with his cousins, sisters and brothers. And yeah, you can see here who has in the same color frock, that little princess is my sister-in-law's sister's daughter. Very cute one, calm one. They look together, 20 days difference, that's it. They look together as a twin sister. And here we go, my sister-in-law and my nephew is trying to posing. So as I said, they both look like a twin kids. So usually they wear the similar color dress as well. Some of the photos of the main photos that I've covered here, this one is my favorite. My sister-in-law and my nephew, they both are looking too cute, overloaded. And this is me with my nephew. I like candid pictures. So this is a group of my father's friends, walking mates. They are with my dad day in and out. Kids are also having their fun. So elders are sitting and having their conversation. Here kids are having their fun, like with the balloons, and they're in their own world, meeting their own cousins and brothers. Yeah, this is nice to see them, right? I hope you guys also can relate this. Kids on if kids are not there in the any event, it seems to be a silent. It's not going to be that enjoyable. When they're there, that is a party. This is my family with my hubby and my daughter. There are some few mandatory pics with the sisters that we usually take in all the events, and we keep comparing ourselves year-wise how different we are. There are few cousins missing in this frame because they were busy, and especially when this events happens, I think you can relate it. Getting the people in one place, it's so difficult. If one is there, another will be in somewhere. That's what happens. So whoever were there, like, we tried to take that picture because we didn't want it to skip this. That's it for this blog. I'm ending here. I'll see you in another video. Not forget to stay connect with me, like, share and subscribe. See you then. Take care.